classic beetroot recipes are associated with Central and Eastern Europe, including the famous beetroot soup known as borscht. Beetroot's earthy charm has resulted in its ubiquitous influence on fashionable menus and recipes. Its delicious but distinctive flavor and nutritional status have escalated it to the root you can't beat. But the best way to eat beetroot is in fresh form. If you don't like the taste of beets, here's how you can make a salad that will be extremely tasty. While I am making it, I will explain what are the health benefits of beetroot. Due to its high sugar content, beetroot is delicious eaten raw but is more typically cooked or pickled. Beetroot is of exceptional nutritional value, which are rich in calcium, iron, and vitamins A and C. Beetroots are an excellent source of folic acid and a very good source of fiber, manganese and potassium. The plant pigment that gives beetroot its rich, purple-crimson color is beta-cyanin, a powerful agent, thought to help suppress the development of some types of cancer. Beetroot is rich in fiber, exerting favorable effects on bowel function, which may assist in preventing constipation and help to lower cholesterol levels too. Beetroot fiber has been shown to increase the number of white blood cells, which are responsible for detecting and eliminating abnormal cells. Red beetroots have been ranked as one of the 10 most potent antioxidant vegetables and are also one of the richest sources of glutamine, an amino acid, essential to the health and maintenance of the intestinal tract. Other studies have looked at the effect of beetroot juice on blood pressure. A reduction in blood pressure is beneficial for the avoidance of heart disease and stroke. Studies state that nitrate-rich foods like beetroot may help in heart attack survival. Fresh beets with the greens attached can be stored for 3 to 4 days in the fridge, but beets with the greens removed can be stored in the fridge for 2 to 4 weeks. Raw beets do not freeze well since they tend to become soft on thawing. Freezing cooked beetroot is fine as it retains its flavor and texture. And that's all, folks. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Have a nice day.